Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a great weekend. I've been really wanting to do a favorites video, so that's what I'm here to talk about today. Just a few of my favorites. I know some of these videos can go pretty lengthy, so I just chose a few things that I've been using pretty regularly that I really like, and I just wanted to share those items with you today. I've seen a lot of other videos out there where people specifically talk about makeup or beauty or fashion related favorites. In these videos, I'm planning to share things like beauty, makeup, fashion, lifestyle, even some of my favorite shows that I've been watching or maybe some books that I've read recently. I hope you like this video and let's get started. So the first item that I have here is from Aesop. This is one of their facial cleansers. So this is their Parsley Seed Facial Cleanser, and on the label right here it's calling out 3 ingredients: licorice root, lactic acid, and black currant seed. This is a gel cleanser. I purchased the smaller size. This is 3.4 fluid ounces, but they also had a larger size. I'm not sure how big that one was, but since this was new to me, I didn't want to pick up a large bottle of it just in case I didn't like it. But actually I really like this facial cleanser a lot. To be honest with you, it was pretty pricey. I want to say that this small bottle was about $35, but I really like this cleanser. I feel like a little goes a long way. Some of the things that I like about this cleanser is, one, the scent. The scent feels very like fresh. It almost smells spa-like, so it does make me feel a little bit more like relaxed and almost like I'm at the spa while I'm using it. The other thing that I like about this is how it lathers up. Like I was mentioning that the scent of this product smells like you're at the spa, I feel like the lather also makes you feel like you're at the spa too, which I really like. It's kind of like bringing that home with you. And another thing that I wanted to mention about why I like this product is how it makes my skin feel. So I think this has to do with the lactic acid in this product. After I rinse this off, my skin feels really smooth, and I actually think that it helps to make my skin look a little brighter as well. One thing that I wanted to mention is I'm only using this in the morning when I wash my face after I wake up, and the only reason why is because I really try to not put bottles with a pump in my shower because I feel like water gets in through the top right here and then everything becomes liquidy. That's probably the only reason why I'm able to extend the life of this 3.4 fluid ounce bottle, but this is really something that I feel like I would repurchase in the future, and next time I'll probably get the bigger size. The next item that I have is a sunscreen. Since it's summer, I did want to throw a sunscreen item into this video as well. To be honest with you, this is one of my favorite sunscreens for the face. This is by Kiehl's. It's their super fluid UV defense sunscreen. It's a broad spectrum SPF 50 plus. They do make a mineral version of this sunscreen that does have a light tint to it, but I actually prefer the one without any color. You do have to shake the product up. There's like a little thing that helps you shake it up, and I'm actually pretty sad. This one's pretty much gone, and I'm not going to be able to repurchase this again. This is the second bottle that I've had of this sunscreen. The reason why I won't be able to repurchase this again is because in about 1.5 years, Hawaii is going to be banning a couple of ingredients in sunscreens because they've been damaging coral reefs. I'll put those 2 ingredients right up on the screen right here. I don't know how to say them correctly, but this one, I think this is how you say it. There's oxybenzone in here. There's another one, I think it's called octinoxate or something like that. But so I've been really paying attention to the ingredients in sunscreens that I've been buying recently. Right before the law got passed, I bought 2 other sunscreens that I'm trying to use up right now. In the future, I do want to do a sunscreen video, but that's for another video. Cross your fingers for me that I'm able to find something. But this sunscreen has been really good to me. This is a 1.7 fluid ounce bottle. This sunscreen is a very like lightweight, very fluid, liquidy feel to it. I feel like it absorbs into the skin really nicely, and I don't feel like it makes my face greasy at all. I typically gravitate to sunscreens like this, ones that you need to shake up before you use. Other ones that I've used similar to this is one by Clarins and Shiseido, but this one by Kiehl's has been by far my favorite. I'm really sad to have to let it go. The next item I have here is a makeup item. To be honest with you, I don't wear lipstick very often, but when I do, I always seem to grab this one by Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the color Pillow Talk, and I actually have the matching lip liner to use with it as well. It's what I'm currently wearing on my lips right now in this video. It's a very nice neutral, kind of like nude pink color. I feel like it pretty much goes with everything. This is a really good like everyday wear to work, wear out to dinner kind of lipstick. This is one that I keep in my purse in those situations where I feel like I should just be putting on some lipstick before I'm going somewhere, but I've been really liking this. I feel like this lipstick makes my lips feel like really soft and hydrated. I usually do wear a lip balm under my lips before I apply lipstick, but this one doesn't dry out my lips or anything like that. I would actually say that Charlotte Tilbury makes some of my favorite lipsticks. So next I'm going to be moving into some fashion slash accessories type items. For fashion, I wanted to mention my Hermes Clic bracelet that I got. I did a whole video that I'll link up in the cards over here that you can watch. I did an unboxing and review video on why I like this bracelet. It has been really easy for me to take off and put on by myself, so that's something that I really like about it. I usually feel like whenever I have bracelets with some sort of clasp, I really struggle with those, but I've been really liking this bracelet. Obviously, it pretty much goes with like wearing anything, which is what I like so much about it. It's comfortable to wear. The only thing right now, if you have this full screen, you might see fingerprints. I had like lotion on my hands, so I've been like making fingerprints all over this thing, but I've been really liking this bracelet and I've been wearing it every chance that I get. So the next item that I have is a purse. So this is the Proenza PS1 purse. I actually really like this bag. I've seen other videos where people don't really like it so much, but I think people have trouble like using this clasp when they're holding it with the handle. One of the reasons why I really like this bag is because there's so many pockets in here that help me to be really organized. So right inside the flap, when you open it up, right here, this is actually one big pocket, but there's a magnetic button right here that keeps it closed. So what I do is I actually stick like my phone, things that I need quick access to, right in the front, and then everything else I put in the larger compartment. If you are curious about this bag, I know I haven't really seen a lot of people review this bag, so I am really wanting to post a video on a review of this bag so I can tell you a little bit more about it. I've had it for about 3 years now, and this is definitely a bag that I can see myself using like forever. To be honest with you, I don't really hold any bags that I have from straps like this. I usually use like the longer strap and I put it over my shoulder. But yeah, I've just been really liking this bag and I wanted to give it a shout out. So the last thing I wanted to mention is actually a TV show. So for me, whenever I watch things, it's usually via Netflix. So one of the shows that I actually finished watching recently is called Life Sentence. And if you've watched Pretty Little Liars before, you're probably familiar with the main actress, which is Lucy Hale. I found Life Sentence by just browsing through Netflix and coming across it. I don't want to go into too many details of the show because I feel like it would just give away like what it's about and what might happen. But essentially, Lucy Hale is the main character of the show. The show basically revolves around her having cancer at some point of her life and then recovering from it, and it just shares a bunch of different events that happen after she finds out that she's recovered. But if you're looking for something new to watch on Netflix, that's one of the shows that I would recommend. Anyways, you guys, that's all that I have for you for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Like I mentioned in my last video, I'm really working on getting to 100 subscribers by the end of September. Last I checked, I'm at 36. I'm at 36%. We're up 10% from the last time I reported this to any of you out there. But if anyone did want to help me reach my goal of getting to at least 100 subscribers by the end of September, I would really appreciate it. But I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I'm going to be doing some travel in about a week and a half. I'm going to London and New York, and I'll be trying to vlog and stuff while I'm there. So if you're curious about what I'm up to, or if you want to see a little bit of that footage, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on that. I'm also planning on doing shopping hauls and stuff when I come back. There are a couple of hopefully special items that I can find that I'm going to be doing reviews and unboxings when I get back. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!